Guys, welcome to Dominical. We just did a video here in Dominical. I was down at the beach and this family, look at this. This family came over, I was standing right beside this guy. He was on the ground and they were taking pictures of him. It's a sloth right down here on the beach. And I'm gonna try to talk quietly. I don't want to startle the sloth. It's really cool though. I do want to get some videos. He's right on the beach. I have never seen this before in Costa Rica. I've seen a sloth up by La Fortuna. Ooh, look at that, dude. That's just the coolest thing. I'm so happy these people noticed the sloth in the tree. That's awesome, dude. And it's just moving so fast up the trees. And he started like 5 trees over and just been going. That's just the coolest thing, man. I'm gonna try to get a shot of him. I'm holding this umbrella, guys. Try to keep the water off the lens. Where is he? Yeah, there he is. Look at that. He's just going. I'm not going to stand under him. I don't know how good his how good his grip is. That's cool. Dude, this is right at the beach. I actually just didn't know that there was sloths in these trees. I thought there would more so be you know, in jungle environments, right? Like these trees are kind of sparsely situated here. That is so cool. I don't know where he's going. I was just down here at the beach checking it out, and everybody kind of vacated the beach. That's so cool. I wonder if there's other sloths. But I mean, look at the beach here, guys. So you can see down here, it's kind of, you know, we were just down here. We did a walking tour. It's up live on YouTube right now. I did one for the Ambient channel as well. We walked all down here. And, but you can see, you know, the trees, they touch each other. But man, I thought they would be more so, I'll zoom in a bit there. I thought the sloths would be more, you can see them kind of reaching. That is cool. Man, it's raining though, dude. It's just raining. That's a good shot of that sloth. And he's going, I don't know if it's a he or she. I'm not a biologist or whatever. Oh, he's freehanding it. He went no legs, dude. Oh man, look at him rocket. I wonder what the goal is for where he's trying to go. Definitely has some objective in mind. That is cool. Okay. We're staying with him, dude. We're in hot pursuit. Hot sloth pursuit. Where's he at now? Oh yeah, there he is. Okay, got him. We're back. He's trying to get his footing there. Or he's cleaning himself. What's that song? If you shake it twice, shake it 3 times, you're playing with yourself or something? I seem to remember the lyrics. Yeah, he was just taking a little break there. Wonder where he's going though, man. That is just the coolest thing, dude. I am so happy that family just saw that sloth. And there he goes. Cool, guys. So that's a pretty cool video, I guess. Sloth scene in Dominical. As always, guys, as I hold this umbrella, subscribe to the channel. Leave me a comment. And I'll see you in the next video as this sloth spreads eagle for the outro here.